This is the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K. It's a streaming device that supports 4K Ultra HD resolution and it has Alexa voice control. It's been awesome to use for the past couple of weeks now, and I've also used a lot of the top competitors in the past as well. There are definitely some things I wish I knew before purchasing, since it would have made my decision a lot easier. Inside the box, there's the Fire TV Stick 4K itself, the Alexa voice remote, a USB cable, a power adapter, an HDMI extender, 2 AAA batteries, and a quick start guide. To set up the Fire TV Stick 4K, just plug it into the HDMI port on your TV and plug the power adapter into an outlet. Use the USB cable to connect the power adapter and your Fire TV Stick 4K. Insert the batteries into the Alexa voice remote, turn your TV on, and switch it to the correct HDMI input source. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect to Wi-Fi. Once you're connected to your Wi-Fi and logged into your Amazon account, you're good to go. The main menu on the Fire TV Stick 4K is fairly simple and intuitive. This is where you can access the content that you want to stream. There are lots of categories to choose from, including live, your videos, movies, TV shows, and apps. Or you can use the search function to the left and search for specific things there. There is tons of great free content out there, including movies, TV, and sports that you can find and easily access with the Fire TV Stick. Subscription services that you use like Amazon Music, Spotify, Netflix can be accessed here too, so all your content is accessible in one spot. The remote has a dedicated button for Alexa voice control right at the top, so you can press and hold that button to ask Alexa to find shows, control playback, and even manage smart home devices. This voice control feature is super convenient to use. You can control the TV volume control, mute, fast forward, and the other standard TV functions with the Fire TV Stick 4K. Voice can also be used to get news updates, check the weather, or even control other smart home devices like your lights and thermostat. The streaming quality is fantastic. With its 4K capability and support for various HDR formats, including HDR10+ and Dolby Vision, the Fire TV Stick 4K really gives a cinematic viewing experience. And it supports Dolby Atmos, so the sound is awesome when it's connected to compatible soundbars and home audio systems. I love the overall immersive quality this device provides. And it's very responsive with fast load times and smooth navigation, so there's no buffering interrupting your watching time. The Fire TV Stick 4K provides smooth, fluid gameplay and fast rendering graphics with a 750 MHz GPU. Switch to low-lag cloud gaming with auto-low latency mode support. Or you can play games like you stream movies with a subscription to Luna, Amazon's cloud gaming service. Or Amazon Prime members can play a rotating selection of games free on Luna. For when there is more than one person using the TV, the Fire TV Stick 4K has personalization using profiles with recommendations, viewing history, and watch lists for each person in your household. The Fire TV Stick 4K makes it easy for Prime members to add from over 100 channels like Discovery+, Showtime, Stars, Paramount+, AMC+, Cinemax, and more with no extra apps to download and no cable required. It's also extremely portable. Just unplug it from the TV, throw it in a bag, and take it along when you're going to a friend's house or even on vacation. All you need is an HDMI-compatible display and Wi-Fi access. The Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K is a fantastic piece of tech to get a cinematic experience right at home. It provides access to all types of streaming content, it has an easy-to-use menu, and it connects to lots of free content along with your preferred subscription services for movies, TV, music, gaming, and more. It can be controlled by voice through the Alexa remote, and also Alexa can be used to control your TV and smart home devices. It supports 4K picture and Dolby Atmos sound quality to give really immersive viewing. It's portable to take with you and can provide personal profiles to manage viewer preferences. Well, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time.